Everyone, just a quick little extra video here for some tiles. As you remember, I did the dipping of this skull, and I love that look so much. I thought that would look absolutely phenomenal on some tiles. So welcome to Artistic Pours and More, and let's get set. I'm going to have to put probably a little bit more white in there. Let me clean them real quick with some alcohol. I think they'll be alright anyway, because I always Mod Podge now. Yep. So let's let that one dry. But I want to make sure they're nice and clean before I lay the paint on there, or actually dip the paint on there. So I have them taped off on the back, as I showed you, and we have just cleaned them with alcohol. I'm going to put a little bit more white in there. Now I am breaking my own rule about not wearing gloves. Oops, I see a problem. There we go. Let's dip it back this way. I don't want to waste much more paint, because that's a lot of paint sitting there right now, as it is. Let's put a little bit more pearl white in there, like this. There we go. And let's start dipping. And there we go. Oh yeah, as I thought they would be pretty. So I am going to put that over here. I'll show it to you in just a minute. I'm going to put a little bit more. Oh yeah, don't put that on there. Alright. Let's do another one. Ready? Go. Oh my goodness. They are so pretty. Yes, they are. I'm loving them. And another one. A little bit more white. But I got a little extra pearl white. Oh, I think I got a little extra pearl white, actually. I'm going to dip you there first. Just in this black. And now into the white. There we go. Very pretty. Very pretty. Just right here. And let's put some more white right in this area. Just needs a little bit more white. Yeah, let's do that. Just like that. Alright, there we go. See that puddle? There is a lot of paint there. Oh yeah. Yikes. Actually, good idea. We are gonna do the sides. Right like that. I am getting some nice skins down there though. Might just use it for skins. I hope you can see me. It's over here, and see if I can dab these sides right in here with the paint, so that we have all the sides done. Thank you for joining me. God bless, be safe, and be happy. Don't forget to make a comment below. Bye-bye.